Right, got the velvet pitch propeller in the boat now, and down here is the mechanism for pushing the rod back forwards through the shaft. Little patting gland there, a grease nipple on it, which is upside down. Turn it round. So use the old electric engines again. There are 4 of them. Down here there's a pillar block down there. It's got a turner shaft, which yeah. I'll turn the cog. There's a grease nipple on there. There's the linkage. Got a Morse control cable operating it. And here's the lever. Got to be finished off. But the lever working. You just push it like that, and it's full pitch, or you can vary the pitch. And then you can also wind this down like that. Just get it all nipped like that, and it locks. So whatever pitch you set at, it'll lock it. And there's no pitch. I'll leave it loose in case someone tries to hook the pitch on the propeller by hand. Install a new wheel and steering control cable. So it's launching data mower. Can't run the motors because there's no water for the cutlasses outside. It's all about ready now. That's it for now.